Hello guys, this is Saad and welcome to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to change the name of your account in Windows 11. So let's begin. First of all, you'll have to go to your search and then type in control panel and hit enter. Now you'll have to click on user accounts and then click on user accounts again, and then you'll have to click on change your account name. Over here you can type in your new name and your name will be changed. For example, let me type Saad and then change name. So as you can see, my name is Saad Saim and now it will be changed to Saad only. And there you go, it's changed. Hope this video would have helped. For more similar videos you can subscribe to our channel. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, peace out.